Hi everybody. I missed to use that phrase. It's been a while since we vlogged, right? Love? What's that?
BMW?
No. It's too far. I didn't. Oh, the deer! Oh my gosh! There's a deer! There's a lot of deer, love!
See the Tesla and the BMW right there?
Yeah. Oh, there's deer. Oh, there's a lot of deer.
That's a. Yeah, look.
Yeah, no.
Right there.
But I cannot see by
Well,
now.
then switch camera.
Ah! That's so awesome! Hold on. I'm using another camera. Right here. Whoa! Hi! Hey! You're looking at the camera. Horses. Wow. So, right now, we arrived to our destination. Again, we're going to drive. Oh my gosh, the BMW!
We're gonna ride in.
We're gonna ride.
Maybe BMW, probably not, but Tesla for sure.
Okay, yeah. I'm so a bit shy.
That's fine. Get over it. Let's
Wait
go.
here. Okay. Here's the owner. Hi.
Oh yeah, like
It's right here, but it's on it.
Nice to
good
meet
to see you.
Yeah, I saw your Model 3. It's beautiful.
Oh yeah, yeah. Take it for a spin today. Oh, so there's other stuff that you could put on your blog channel. These are all totally solar powered, right?
Yeah. I didn't notice until the second time I was here, and I noticed like the panels. I'm like, I forgot about it completely. I'm like, wow.
Yeah. So there's 30 panels there,
Uh-huh.
and then there's another set there.
Holy cow.
The one you don't see is that full roof of the barn.
On the other side?
Those are no, this side.
Oh, this side,
but
okay.
it's the whole place. It's peel and stick.
Oh, wow.
So it's like a rubber mat that just rolls out. You just stick it onto a metal roof.
and it's like solar.
Yeah.
So it's like nuts. You bend it, and you can still provide power.
Yeah.
That's cool. Wow.
So it's about 2.5 kilowatts.
200 kilowatts. Okay. All in all, like, are you pretty much off grid completely with your?
Well, we're connected to the grid, but I
Right.
think we're going to be paying or providing more than all the electricity we use, even including the cars.
Oh, okay. Wow. Holy cow.
Yeah.
So essentially, you get money back, right? Is that how it works, or not?
Well,
Not
we
quite?
just did that upgrade, so we haven't actually seen that point yet,
Okay.
but it should be coming.
Gotcha. Wow, that's cool. How long ago did you get the panels installed in your roof?
We did that ourselves in 2010,
Okay.
and then in 2012 we did the barn, and then last winter we did the last array.
Okay. Gotcha. So you pretty much maxed out with your solars right now?
Yeah. We switched the heating and air conditioning. Well, the heating was gas, and we swapped that out, and then the air conditioner we got rid of, and in this front lawn is 8 wells, so it's geothermal,
Okay.
and
Wow.
so that reduces the electrical demand so much. It's all solar powered.
Okay. Wow. That's cool. Very, very eco-friendly.
Yeah.
That's really cool. I've got.
Yeah.
Come on, baby.
Took out the engine and the exhaust pipes, and I even cut out the gas tank, which was kind of. It took some courage. Take the
Right.
sawzall to the gas tank.
Yep.
But
Man.
yeah, I took out everything there. So it's got a 9-inch DC motor, 1,000 amp power controller, a Soliton, a DC-DC converter, which is like what it provides the 12 volts from the high voltage.
Mhm.
This is a vacuum pump, so you still have your power brakes. That all acts normally.
Mhm.
I swapped out all the lights to LED, and the batteries are from a Nissan Leaf.
Yep. 1.5 Nissan Leafs, right?
Yes.
1.5 Nissan
Yep.
Leafs. Yeah. So,
And this is the charger. I tried charging it today so we could drive it, but I couldn't get it to. I couldn't connect to the computer to
hey, no worries, no worries.
do it. So
I love
That's
the
all right.
plate number. I flipped
Yeah.
the plate. Buy gas.
yeah.
That's awesome.
This is my wife Susan.
I gave her the delivery when I first came here.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Uh,
You're interested in an
they're
electric
LED.
car?
Well, no, actually,
Yes.
I think they are halogens because the LEDs weren't bright enough.
So
That's right.
beautiful.
I moved them to LEDs, and then now these are the.
Yeah, it's all
Things that
batteries in there now.
Oh,
Even the
something
trunk
else.
is filled up with
Yeah.
batteries.
Okay, these are the LED bells.
Right. And then there's another pair buried over there.
Very neat, very neat. Yeah, so it's 36 or 34 kilowatts, you said? Or
36.
36, okay.
Yeah.
And you get about 130 miles of range, you said, on a charge?
It should be
Should
that.
be around that?
Yeah.
Okay.
You have to get all the cells balanced before you get the maximum range.
Right, okay.
Never actually done that yet with this pack.
Now, when you placed the batteries, was it pretty much for, like, distribution? So, like, I think you said something in the back, or is more?
No, I just maxed them out, and it made the back sag. So I got new springs, custom made to account for the weight difference and the height difference, and
Mhm.
so that kind of got it back to normal.
Okay, gotcha,
Got
gotcha.
the springs in.
So, do you think it matches what it had before in terms of distribution, or more like, is it more tail happy, less tail happy, or you haven't really tried that?
It's probably it has to be heavier in the tail now than it was,
Mhm.
but you can't really feel it. It drives like a dream.
Right, yeah.
It really is smooth.
That's wild. Have you ever driven a Nissan Leaf before?
Oh yeah, I leased one for 3 years.
Okay, so like compared to like a Nissan Leaf acceleration versus this car, this accelerates faster than the Leaf, or?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. It's got 25 more horsepower than the original.
Okay.
So it's pretty peppy. The Leaf is pretty nice. It will get you in and out of traffic very respectively.
Yeah, especially in sport mode.
Yeah.
Non-eco mode's very, very numb. I tried that, but yeah, the sport mode is like you can get around.
Yeah.
People wouldn't see you coming.
I like the Leaf a lot. In fact, my best friend's he had a Leaf, and he's building a house, and he got a full-size bathtub into the Leaf. I was
Wow,
like,
yeah.
"Oh, man, how did you do
There's a
that?"
lot of space. You can fold the seats in the back
There
down.
is.
This is fantastic.
Yeah.
I rented a 2016 one with a 30 kilowatt hour pack?
Yeah, that was the year they bumped it up.
Yeah, which was great. I mean, 110 miles of range is pretty good. And yeah, it was leather, it was everything. It was like fantastic.
Yeah.
But I'll tell you this much: when I drove a Leaf, it's not very good in the winter. Like I drove it from Alexandria to Winchester, and I had 114 miles to empty on it,
Oh.
and I had to go through 66, and like I had to charge halfway there
Yeah. Yeah.
because at this like level 2 charger, I was like, man, this ain't gonna make it. It was snowing, it was windy. I was like, this is not good.
But it is front-wheel drive, so the
It is.
handling is
Yeah.
actually pretty nice.
Like a broken soul in a wall.